Story from Sacramento now, a deadly accident in Land Park involving a tree trimmer. The man died after working on a tree near power lines.
Yeah, tragic story here. CBS 13's Renee Santos is live in Land Park with what happened, Renee.
Yeah, a special team that is trained for these types of incidents had to be called in to assist today. Fire officials say anytime firefighters are dealing with live power lines, they have to be extra cautious. SMUD had to de-energize the lines in this neighborhood so fire crews could begin working to get that man down. This was a very emotional time for neighbors, including family members who work with the man that died in this accident while on the job. When first responders arrived, they found a man high up in a tree who was unresponsive. It's believed he may have came into contact with power lines while trimming a tree. The call was even difficult for first responders.
I don't think anyone's ever truly ready and prepared to walk up and see a person who appears to have died up 50 feet in a tree, and it's a very difficult situation.
Now, officials believe the man who died works for a family-owned company. Fire officials recommend people to first call utility companies in cases where they are working near power lines to avoid a tragedy like what we saw today in this neighborhood from even happening.
Yes, just a sad story out of Land Park tonight. Renee, thank you.